Hello everyone, hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about box org reviews? If yes, then watch this unbiased review that will help you to decide either you should buy anything from this store or not, because the website is actually getting attention from women, especially from United States. Boxorg.com is a convenient portal to purchase all types of fashionable clothes for women. They support the personalized recommendation in combination with the best feature and fashion. The site provides clothing like pants, skirts, shorts, jeggings, etc. Let's check out the specification of the website. It is an e-commerce site that offers men clothing like jeans, shorts, jegging, Halloween, etc. They have shared their email address, physical address, and contact detail, but owner's details are hidden. They have multiple payment methods. You can return the product within 30 days and refund will be credited within 7 to 14 days. Shipping in 74 hours, and that takes 10 to 22 days to receive. They have no active social media presence. Positive aspects of the website are: it is unique product with the latest design. It is low price. Products are explained in detail. The prices are reasonable. Products are available in all sizes and HTTPS secure website. The negative point of the website are: charges are too low for such branded clothes. It seems to be suspicious. The trust score is too low, that is 1%. No customer reviews are notified by any product. Purchase button itself is not available under products. No linking of social media platform, therefore they are not active on the platforms. The domain created for this website is less than 6 months. So the question is Boxorg legit? Let's check out the detail in depth. As we discussed, it is less than 6 month website. It was created on 17 September 2021. Poor trust score of 1%. Extremely bad trust score. No reviews could be found. No social media links are available for this website. The email address mentioned on the website seems ambiguous with no response, raising hesitation for the website. As far as content is concerned, the images of the products from this site are found to be copied from other site. Specification of the products also seems to be copy pasted. Such no originality of the content makes us hesitant to invest such a website. Identity of owner is hidden. The physical address is not legit, like the various sites mention the same address. As far as return and exchange are concerned, return of any product will be have to bear by the customer for the fee. They ask for an image if you want to return a product. Many point in return policies are not realistic. As we all know that customer reviews are a great help for us to check out the legitimacy, but we are unfortunate to find out customer review on any online portal. But Quora site actually labeled this website fake, so it is hard to trust and invest your hand earned money in this website. The customer gave no rating or to any product. So in conclusion, we can say that we are not recommending you at all to purchase any product from here, though it has gained numerous attention in many countries as we discuss, but it is a fake website. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience right in the comment box. We love to hear from you.